Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet bed cover designs model. Crocheting a bed cover is a large project that requires patience and skill. So here are some tips to help you manage the process and achieve great results. First, stitch choice. Some stitches are more suited for bed covers than others due to their density and texture. For instance, denser stitches like the single crochet or half double crochet provide warmth and durability, while more open stitches like leg or shell patterns add decorative detail and lightness. Choose a stitch that matches the function and the style you desire. Then, use a pattern or create your own. If you are confident in your crochet abilities, consider designing your own pattern. For a bed cover, you will want a yarn that is durable, washable, and comfortable. Actually, cotton and wool blends are popular choices. Decide on a color scheme that matches your bedroom decor. You can choose a single color, a monochromatic scheme, or a vibrant mix of colors. Color changes can add interest to simple patterns. Always make a guess swatch to ensure that your hook and yarn combination achieves the desired density and drop. This step is essential to ensure your finished bed cover fits your bed as intended. Keep even tension. Maintain an even tension throughout your project is key to creating a professional and uniform look. Uneven stitches can make your work look messy and feel uneven. Block your work. Blocking is the process of folding or streaming your finished crochet pieces to set the fibers and even out the stitches. For large projects like a bed cover, blocking can greatly improve the look and drop of the cover. If your bed cover is made up of multiple squares or motifs, take care in joining them neatly. Consistent and careful joining will ensure the overall look is seamless and tidy. Consider how you will wash and maintain your bed cover. Some yarns may require gently washing or different care instructions to keep the bed cover looking its best. Enjoy the process. Crocheting a bed cover is a significant undertaking. Enjoy the process of creating something beautiful and functional. It is okay to take break and come back to your project refreshed. By planning carefully and taking your time, you can create a crochet bed cover that is beautiful, functional, and cherished for years. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy crocheting!